Guys, today we are working on the Saab 900. It's a G-Reg. The wiper motor is gone. As you see, this one come off. The linkage come off. I don't see no circlip place here. There's no circlip, there is no bolt. You just sit here. I don't know how you fit. It's a compressed fit, and it's work with a wire. It's a piece of wire here. There's a linkage. I don't know what this little pulley does. Maybe extend the wiping area on the windscreen. Extend it with this wire. I must check this one on the internet, see how the part look like. It come with a bump piece or not. But at the moment we are working on this beautiful Saab. So I'm going to show you to the next clip how we get on with this one. Bye.